Paleokastritsa, nestled on the northwest coast of Corfu Island, Greece, is a breathtaking gem that blends natural beauty with rich history. Known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, dramatic cliffs, and lush greenery, this coastal village feels like a slice of paradise. Its 6 enchanting bays, dotted with secluded beaches and hidden coves, invite visitors to swim, snorkel, or simply soak in the serene Mediterranean vibe. Legends whisper that the area inspired Homer's Odyssey, with its rugged coastline resembling the mythical Scheria. Whether exploring sea caves by boat, strolling olive groves, or savoring fresh seafood at a seaside taverna, Paleokastritsa radiates a timeless charm that uplifts the soul and captivates the heart. Porto Timoni, a stunning double beach on Corfu Island's northwest coast, is a natural masterpiece that feels like a secret escape into paradise. Tucked beneath the charming village of Afionas, this hidden gem features two enchanting coves, Limni and Porto Timoni, separated by a narrow strip of lush greenery, each with its own unique charm. The turquoise and aquamarine waters shimmer under the sun, inviting swimmers and snorkelers to dive into their crystal-clear depths. A scenic 20-minute hike from Afionas rewards adventurers with breathtaking coastal views. Untouched by tourist developments, Porto Timoni's pebbly shores and serene ambiance provide a tranquil retreat, perfect for soaking in the Ionian Sea's beauty. Whether exploring nearby sea caves or simply basking in the unspoiled landscape, this Corfu treasure uplifts the spirit with its raw, captivating allure. Sidari, a vibrant coastal village on Corfu Island's northern coast, is a delightful blend of natural wonders and lively charm that captures the heart of every visitor. Famous for the iconic Canal d'Amour, its striking sandstone cliffs and turquoise channels create a romantic haven where legend promises love for those who swim through its arches. The area's golden sandy beaches offer crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or thrilling water sports. Framed by lush greenery and dramatic rock formations, Sidari's coastline is a postcard-worthy escape. Whether exploring hidden coves, enjoying a sunset stroll, or dancing under the stars, Sidari's infectious energy and breathtaking beauty inspire joy and create unforgettable memories.